Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of premium bakeware with the Creuset Stoneware Heritage Loaf Pan. Measuring 9 by 5 by 3 inches and boasting a capacity of 1.5 quarts in a stunning cerise color. This exceptional loaf pan is crafted from high-quality stoneware, ensuring excellent heat distribution for uniform browning and even cooking without any pesky hot spots. Its superior heat retention keeps your culinary creations warm or cold, perfect for serving straight from the oven or fridge. The colorful glaze is not only visually appealing but also non-porous, non-reactive, scratch-resistant, and it resists stains and flavor absorption, making it a durable addition to your kitchen. The smooth interior enamel allows for easy food release, quick cleanup, and resists cracking and crazing, ensuring longevity. With unmatched thermal resistance, this loaf pan can handle temperatures ranging from a chilly -9 degrees Fahrenheit to a sizzling 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it safe for the freezer, oven, microwave, broiler, dishwasher, and even metal utensils. Elevate your baking experience with this versatile and reliable loaf pan from Le Creuset, designed to meet all your culinary needs with style and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.